Hello guys, how you guys doing today? Thank you for joining me again for another video. First of all, let me just say I forgot to on my mic while I was filming this video. So I'm doing the Pixi full face makeup tutorial. First of all, I'm using the Pixi, not Pixi, the Pop Beauty primer. Pop Beauty is like a junior sister to Pixi. So I'm using their matte primer on my face. Then I'm going to use the Pixi foundation. And this is the Pixi H2O skin tint. It's not really foundation, it's like a tinted moisturizer type of feel. So shake the foundation first before using. If you see my mouth moving on this video, you think I'm talking. I was talking to the camera, but the mic was not on. Yeah, my life right now. So I had to do like a voiceover with this video. So I'm just blending the foundation all over my face. As you can see, there's not much coverage and the shade was not my shade. That is another thing Pixi needs to work on. Their shade range for dark skin is not existing in their collection. They need to do more of that when it comes to their foundation and their skin, like when it comes to their complexion. So I'm going to take the Pixi concealer. This again I struggle with finding my shade, but I later use caramel to highlight my face, like the highlighted area of my face. So that is what you are watching here. I'm just using the concealer. Then I'm blending that out with a brush. This is the Huda Beauty brush I'm using to blend the concealer. These days I just enjoy using foundation brush. Sorry, I just enjoy using brush to blend out my concealer instead of using a, a sponge. So I'm just blending the hash line off the edges of the foundation. Then I'm going to take the darkest shade that Pixi have of that concealer to contour my face. Can you see the shade? It's not dark enough to contour, and this is their last shade on the concealer. So I just used it on my face just because I'm trying to like bring color back to my face because the foundation was a bit off and the coverage of the tinted skin tint was not existing. So anyway, it just like their makeup is make your skin better, so I was not expecting much on the coverage in the first place. Here I'm just using the Pixi powder to just set the highlighted area. Another thing, their shade range was not enough to set my whole face with, so I just used the powder to set the highlighted area of my face. Right here I'm just going to take this blush palette by Pixi. I was trying to use it to contour, which was a fail because it was not showing up on my skin. So I just used the blush on my face. That's why I'm laughing, because the shade wasn't showing on my skin at all. So yeah, that's my okay, what is this face? So I'm trying to use the Pixi brow pencil. As you can see, it's not even showing up at all. Like, this was so funny of me. Like, the whole process was a bit mad. So I tried to use a darker shade. That was their brown shade that was not working for the brow pencil. Then I decided to use the black shades of the brow pencil. Later it was messed up. You can see my face. My facial expression. I'm sorry guys, I don't know why I'm laughing so hard watching this video back. So anyway, I decided to use my brow pencil, the normal one I use, which is the KVD brow pencil. I just use this to do my brows instead of using the Pixi. Here I'm just applying the eyeshadow primer before I start with the eyeshadow. This is by Gerard Cosmetic. So I just use this to prime my eyes. So the brush I'm using is the P. Louis eyeshadow brush. I like using the super line. Then I'm applying more powder to my under eyes. Then I'm going to take the Pop Beauty eyeshadow palette. Then I'm going to use a palette from Pixi too. Like I said, Pop Beauty is a sister brand of Pixi. So I'm using the Pop Beauty eyeshadow palette to start with. I really like the color pigment of the Pop Beauty eyeshadow palette. My advice to Pixi, like the sister brand Pixi, the Pop Beauty product did better than the Pixi product when it comes to my opinion. Like, if my opinion is needed. Anyway, this eyeshadow palette was really nice. Like, the blending was nice. I really like the pigmentation. I really enjoy using this Pop Beauty eyeshadow palette. The Pixi, on the other hand, was quite difficult to use, so I didn't use much color on that palette, so I just used the shimmer shade on the Pixi palette. Then I top it up with a shade from the Pop Beauty palette. So that's what I'm just doing here. I'm just using the two palettes. I'm trying to work it out to make the eyeshadow work, because things were not working right on this day. So I used that same pencil that I was supposed to use for my brows to line my eyes. That is the black one. I use that to line my eyes, which it works for that. Don't use it for eyebrow, use it for eyeliner. Then I took a liner from Pixi. This is a Pixi eyeliner. This color was beautiful. Name will be at the description bar, or link to the pencil will be at the description bar. Then I just blend the eyeshadow from the Pop Beauty that I use on the crease on my eyes. So I'm just blending that underneath my eyes. So I'm going to take the mascara. This mascara is by Pixi. I just use that on my eyes, on my lashes rather. Then I'm going to apply these lashes by Kiss. Just apply the lashes on my eyes. So in all, the products, some of the product works for dark skin, some did not work. Then I just spray my face with the Pixi setting spray. This one I love the setting spray. It's very refreshing. This is one of my favorite products from Pixi. The Pixi lipsticks. I've done a lip swatch of this lipstick. I'm going to link it on the video, and also I'll link it at the description bar for those who are interested in the lipstick. Then I just do ombre on the lip. Then I apply the black liner on my lip just to cool down the pink, because I'm not really a pink girl, but I try to cool it down a bit. That's what you see me doing here, just checking it out. Then I'm going to apply highlighter by Pixi. This one really worked fine. The glow was real. It was beautiful glow, nice palette. Love it. Okay guys, that is the final look, and the look came together. If you are ordering some things from Pixi, just get some things in their makeup, not all. I think they should stick to skincare. They are good at it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Remember what I say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.